One of the first things you should do when setting up your Xiaomi Redmi A5 is to secure it with a screen lock. This keeps your personal data, photos, and apps safe from unauthorized access. Your Redmi A5 lets you choose from several lock types, including pattern, pin, password, fingerprint, and face unlock. Let's go through how to set it up and customize your screen lock options. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Under the Security section, tap Device Unlock, then tap Screen Lock, or tap Set Screen Lock if you haven't set up one yet. If you haven't set one yet, it will show None as the current screen lock. For this guide, let's create a pattern lock. Tap Pattern, then draw your preferred unlock pattern by connecting the dots. Tap Next, redraw the same pattern, and tap Confirm. You'll then be asked what type of content you want to show on the lock screen. You can choose Show All Notifications, Hide Sensitive Content, or Don't Show Notifications at all. Select your preference, then tap Done. Your screen lock is now active. To test it, lock your phone and then unlock it. You'll be prompted to draw your new pattern. To fine-tune your screen lock, go back to the Device Unlock menu. Tap the gear icon next to Screen Lock. Here, you can toggle whether the pattern is visible as you draw it. You can also set Lock After Screen Timeout, which lets you decide how soon the device locks after turning off the screen, from 5 seconds to 30 minutes, or instantly. If you want the power key to lock your phone immediately, turn on the switch next to Power Button Instantly Locks. If you want to switch from a pattern to a PIN or password later, go back to Device Unlock, then Screen Lock menu. Enter your current pattern to verify, then select PIN or password. To set a PIN, choose PIN, then enter a 4 or 6-digit number. You can check the box for Auto Confirm if you want it to unlock without tapping Enter. Tap Next, re-enter your PIN, and tap Confirm. To use a password instead, select Password, then type your desired password, at least 4 characters long, and confirm it. Once set, lock your phone and test it to make sure it works properly. Now, if you ever forget your screen lock, you'll need your Me account or Google account to unlock it. So always remember your credentials and avoid setting overly complex patterns or passwords you might forget. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up, change, and customize your screen lock settings on your Xiaomi Redmi A5. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and check out my other Xiaomi tutorials to learn more about keeping your phone secure and optimized. Thanks for watching.